Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to change size of color correction floating shortcut button in Realme 14 Pro phone. So here we have this floating shortcut button to our color correction function. We can change its size. How? So first of all, we need to go to our phone settings, then we need to go to accessibility and convenience, then accessibility. Next we need to tap the vision tab, and here we are looking for the color correction. And here is our shortcut. So first of all, we can disable it by tapping it once, but if you want to change size only, we can tap the shortcut option, then go to the accessibility button to tap more options, and here we have the size option. So we can have it small and we can have it large. We have two presets only. We do not have, for example, any sliders, and that's pretty much it. Goodbye.